we will use this. Okay, and yeah, I think we are very near to round up this. So we have just FAQ section remain and the footer, and for those two it is very easy. I will just try to copy and take the inspiration from maybe from here. These APQs we have, yeah, I think we can take the inspiration from here. Okay, so I will just copy this, paste it over here. All right, and now give it a fill. Fill should be black. All right, and now what I can do here is I will select all of those. The black should be white, the white should be black, the gray should be white. I think the gray should be also black, so let's give it 60. The gray should be stay gray, but if we can increase it a little bit, like 300, this gray should be also white, should be black, something like this. All right, so now we are getting the result, but for this one I will use maybe this one. All right, so now use it over here, here. Okay, paste it. So I just copy and paste the properties. Okay, so now for this one we have FAQs and why testimonial over here. I don't think we should add it over here, but we already have it, a testimonial, so I will just keep it. Okay, and all right, for the FAQs I think let's do one FAQ at a time. Okay, so let's get rid of this one. It should be file container, left align. All right, and the icon should be our icon, so it should be chevron down. We can even do plus minus, so let's do plus here, or add, yep, and let's make it white. Okay, and the size should be, let's give it 32. Okay, perfect. Now for this one it should be minus, so I think this is perfect. Size should be 32, and this color should be white. Okay, now let me just duplicate it over here and remove this from here. Okay, why this thing happened? Perfect, we have extra. This one should be file container. So you know, this is the beauty of the auto layout. Okay, so now we are done with this, since we just need this. But if you can see over here, we have FAQ on the top, which we don't need for now. Frequently asked question, then you know, like, still have something in mind, contact us, which is very good. Like, we can do that. Like, for example, there are some FAQs, but if we see, like, if there are some FAQs which we didn't found here, so we have a button to contact us, and I think it is very handy technique here, right? So I will just add this button here, and still I think I will need this text, so I will select both of those, giving it auto layout. It should be vertical. All right, and the spacing should be maybe 12 is fine. All right, let's give it a 12 and contact us. And for this one, I think this is fine. Contact us. And yep, let's make it left aligned. Boom, we have it as well. Let me just copy the properties here, paste it over here, and now let's do one by one. So how quickly I can start doing? Okay, this one should be also copy and paste. This one should be also copy and paste here. All right, we need 2 more, so let's select both of those and give it all the way to the bottom, and let's increase this. It should be file container hub content. Okay, so now I just ungroup it. Let me see what problem we have here. Is let's okay, so this is content font, content 1. We have a problem here, but let's figure that out. What is the problem? Let's make it file container. Okay, this one should be also file container. Okay, and top align. All right, now let's do the other part, which is how to copy the text, paste here, and paste here. All right, so 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6. I think these are 6, so let's do this one as well. 1 2 and 3. For some reason, why this thing is making okay. I think this is perfect now. Auto layout to the bottom. It should be like this. All right, you know, if we created that, it would be very easy as well for us. So you know, like sometimes we use reusable content in it, making us and taking us a lot of time. So just, you know, like just to remind, let's do this manually here. Okay, so we have right now, we have just 2 things. Let me just get rid of the auto layout. We have 1 and 2 here, so I will give it an auto layout. Perfect. And now what thing that we can do is, I will from the left side, I will top right, top bottom, I will make it 16, and left right I will make it 16 as well. Okay, maybe from top right, let's give it 24 pixel. All right, and let's copy the property from here. So copy property from here and paste it. All right, so I think, yeah. All right, so now What are the stuff we could do here is I will just duplicate this, give it 24 pixel spacing here as well, and 1 2 3 4. Perfect. This is how we create it. Right now the thing is, let me just duplicate this, all right, and give it auto layout, and it should be vertical, all right, and then the spacing between this should be either auto, or we can even do like 8 pixel, all right. All right, so now perfect. And this text I can make it, let's do it, let's give it like 16 maybe, all right. Wonderful. And we can make it, the height should be fill container, all right. And for this one, and this one, it should be also fill container. Okay, now last thing we can do here is I will give it 90 pixel top bottom and 32 pixel. But one other thing that we can do here is we also need to implement this as well. So let's add this over here and let's get rid of all of those. All right, delete it, delete this. Okay, so now we are almost done with this. It should be 32 pixel. Sorry, I just did top to bottom. It should be from left to right. It should be 32. Okay, and this space should be also all the way to over here, and since we hit over here, so we don't need this spacing as well, so it should be 0. All right, and for this one I think we will make top bottom should be also 0. Okay, perfect. So now what we can do here is this spacing should be not, it should be 48. Okay, so 48. All right, now it's 48. We are now near to finish the FAQ as well, right? So just copy and paste this detail to here, copy, paste, copy, paste, copy. I think this is done. Copy, paste, copy and paste, and we need to do one last one. So the last one should be this one, copy and paste. All right, select that and then fill container. Okay, that was so easy. Now we like sometime using reusable content that maybe from the very like from last update, so that's why it creating the issue. So now we will just do this one as well, because the one we need to give it like this one is open, right? So we also need to give the developer like this variation. So for this I will just search bar minus. Okay, and let me just go back to the website. All right, here is their website. Where is the website? Let's go back to home, and the second one we need to copy and paste. Okay, so I just copy the text from here, go back to Figma, all right, and paste it over here. Make sure this is middle align, all right, and this needed to be, it should be file container, it should be file container. And let me just increase this, or maybe for this one So this one and this one. All right, so why it is creating issues? File container, boom, perfect. That's it. So now, all right, I think this is now perfect. Okay, so this one should be hug content. Okay, this one should be file content, but the top bottom we already have. Okay, so here we need this one should be fixed. Okay, and let's give it like this. So maybe like let's since we have the stuff, this one is a middle, so let's for this one let's give it a fixed height. Okay, so I think this is fine. We are done with the FAQ, and the top bottom, it should not be 136, it should be 90. All right, and let's decrease all the way till that much. All right, so now let's add FAQs to here as well. FAQ and FAQ. Okay, perfect. Now lastly we need to add the footer, so I think we already have the footer in this component, so I will just copy this, go to component. All right, and let's see, we have the footer here as well, right? So just place this logo here, and we don't need this logo here. Okay, so now create, explore, and these stuff. So for this one, let me just, I think this is perfect. This is perfect, but we also need to add the details of the client website, but I will just copy this, go back to workspace and paste it over here. Okay, so if you can see over here we have these detail. I will just copy this one. All right, paste it over here, and it should be not that much long, it should be 16 pixel. Perfect. And for this one, copy the text and it will be replaced over here. Okay, so perfect. Now we have again links home, which is already on the top, we don't need it, but if client want us to do that, we will do that as well. So here is the footer. Okay, let me just put that inside here. Should be, go back to the main component, and I will make the size, I don't need this, so I will delete this, and I will increase the size to 1600. Let's make this to 1600. This should be also 1600, and let's give this an auto layout. All right, give this also an auto layout, and it should be 32. All right, so needed to touch this one and this one. Perfect. Now select this and go back to instance, and now let's do this. Why is There's a problem. All right, let's go back to the main component. And paste this. Okay, and now copy this workspace, delete this and paste it over here. Okay, and this page should be all the way to over here. Perfect. I think the footer is perfect now, and we need to apply the details here. Copy as a text. Okay, and paste it over here. This is fine, this is fine, this is fine, this is fine, this is fine. Okay, so now let's add this over here as well, and this should be filled all the way to our right. We don't need roundness here as well. So far so good. We created two landing page.